As the ruler of the waterways, crocodiles possess razor-sharp teeth and an incredible bite force, embodying absolute power and agility in the natural world. But their significance doesn't end there. These formidable predators have also solidified their status in the luxury fashion industry, contributing to a staggering market value of $9 billion annually. Let's uncover the mysteries and irresistible allure of these apex predators. In recent years, China has witnessed a boom in crocodile farming, transforming these facilities into massive operations that meet the growing demand for crocodile leather and meat, both domestically and internationally. With impressive scales, many farms span over 100,000 square meters, housing tens of thousands of crocodiles, fueling a thriving and ever-expanding industry. This is not just a story of farming, but a testament to the ambition and rapid development of modern economies. In addition, in countries like Thailand and Vietnam, crocodile farming not only brings significant economic value, but also holds a deep connection to local traditions. Farmers here utilize natural water bodies or mangrove areas to create habitats for crocodiles, striking a balance between nature and commerce. Crocodile eggs are a cornerstone in maintaining and expanding crocodile populations in farms. To create the ideal breeding conditions, farmers carefully prepare nesting areas, covering them with thick layers of sand to mimic the natural environment. This step is not only critical, but also the secret to ensuring the survival and robust growth of the next generation of crocodiles. Interestingly, the temperature during egg incubation can determine the gender of the hatchlings. Lower temperatures result in mostly female crocodiles, while higher temperatures produce more males. This is a factor that farms must meticulously calculate to ensure gender balance, supporting the sustainable development of the crocodile population. Harvesting crocodile eggs is a challenging task that demands agility, precision, and exceptional skill. Farmers must quickly approach the nests before the mother crocodile detects them and becomes aggressive. Often, strategies are employed to temporarily drive the mother away from the area. With their fierce instinct to protect their nests, mother crocodiles are formidable adversaries, turning every egg collection into a heart-pounding confrontation between humans and these fearsome predators. After being harvested, crocodile eggs are transported to specialized incubation facilities where temperatures are maintained between 29 degrees and 34 degrees, with carefully controlled humidity to optimize hatching rates. The incubation process lasts between 65 and 90 days, a period of anticipation before welcoming a new generation of crocodiles. Once the hatchlings break free from their shells, they are moved to modern rearing tanks equipped with clean water and spacious areas, providing the ideal environment for healthy growth. The diet of young crocodiles is meticulously crafted, featuring protein-rich meals such as small fish or minced chicken. Feeding schedules are adjusted accordingly, typically once and 2 times a day during their early stages, ensuring they absorb the necessary nutrients for rapid growth. Crocodiles grow at an astonishing rate, especially during their first 2 to 3 years, reaching lengths of 1-2 meters and entering maturity, ready to play their role in the ecosystem or contribute to a highly valuable industry. As crocodiles mature, their diet undergoes significant changes to meet their evolving nutritional needs. Their menu includes fresh meats such as chicken, chicken necks, and larger fish. Unlike their younger years, adult crocodiles are typically fed 2-3 times per week due to their slower digestion compared to other animals. However, each meal must provide food equivalent to 10% of their body weight, an essential factor in maintaining the health and strength of these formidable predators. After meticulous care and dedication, the time for harvest finally arrives. Depending on demand, crocodile farms leverage their potential in various ways. The primary focus is on supplying young crocodiles to breeding facilities, expanding the scale and development of farms. Additionally, mature crocodiles are sent to professional processing facilities, where they become premium raw materials for the luxury fashion industry or gourmet delicacies, contributing significantly to economic value. The process of skinning and processing crocodile meat in factories is a sophisticated operation requiring modern technology and expert craftsmanship. Crocodile meat is carefully classified into parts such as tail, back, and legs, known for their tenderness, low-fat content, and high nutritional value. Each stage of the process is executed with precision, ensuring optimal quality to meet the growing market demand. Crocodile meat is meticulously packaged for a variety of purposes, from gourmet cuisine to specialty food production. The entire processing chain operates in a closed environment under strict supervision, ensuring that each final product meets the highest quality standards and delivers complete satisfaction to consumers. Preparing crocodile meat requires meticulous attention to preserve its unique flavor and natural tenderness. Proper cooking techniques, combined with the right seasonings, not only enhance the flavor, but also transform the meat into unique, delectable dishes that leave a lasting impression on diners. This is the secret to elevating crocodile meat into a world-class culinary experience. Crocodile meat offers endless cooking possibilities, from grilling to steaming or frying, with each method accentuating its distinctive natural flavor. Even with just a few basic seasonings, this meat can be transformed into a delicious, nutritious meal that satisfies even the most discerning palates. Crocodile leather is regarded as one of the most luxurious and rarest materials in the world. Celebrated for its unparalleled durability, supple texture, and distinctive natural patterns. A handbag or belt made from crocodile leather is not merely an accessory, but a symbol of prestige, with prices reaching thousands of dollars. As such, this precious leather is always in high demand among top global fashion brands. With its exceptional qualities, crocodile leather has become a prized commercial material, contributing an impressive $7 billion annually to the global economy. From high-end fashion to luxury goods, this rare leather not only exudes sophistication, but also plays a vital role in the global industry. Handbags crafted from crocodile leather are the epitome of elegance and luxury, featuring exquisite craftsmanship down to the finest detail. Owning a crocodile leather product not only elevates one's style, but is also seen as a statement of status and personal prestige, leaving a lasting impression. However, the rapid expansion of the crocodile leather industry has not escaped controversy surrounding conservation and ethics. Many animal welfare organizations have criticized the practice, arguing that killing crocodiles for their leather and meat is inhumane. These criticisms have sparked debates and raised questions about humanity's responsibility toward nature. To balance economic benefits with environmental stewardship, many crocodile farms have pioneered sustainable practices, working closely with international organizations to ensure the conservation of wild crocodile populations. This is not just an effort by producers, but a collective responsibility of society to achieve harmony between development and environmental protection. The story of crocodiles is a vivid illustration of the complex relationship between humans and nature. Crocodiles, symbols of strength and survival, not only remind us of the wild's beauty, but also highlight the importance of responsibly managing resources to balance present-day benefits with future sustainability. Can we continue to exploit this precious resource sustainably, or are we unintentionally pushing crocodiles toward extinction? This is not just a question for the industry, but a wake-up call for all of us to preserve the invaluable gifts that nature has generously bestowed. The story of crocodile farming is more than just the rise of a lucrative industry. It underscores the importance of efficient and sustainable resource management. If you found this content informative and engaging, please hit like to support us, share to spread the word, and subscribe to the channel for more fascinating insights into unique industries. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next story.